So next up we have transparency and alphas. So transparencies are very, very common when doing like vegetation, trees. I pulled up a Google search here. We're going to take a look really quick. So something like this where you have a branch here and then you have your alpha to drive that. And then you have like your leaves, you wouldn't actually model out each individual leaf itself. You'd put it on a polyplane and then use this to drive the silhouette of it. So to do this, I'm going to do this on a new object. I'm just going to go ahead and add in a polyplane. And then I'm simply going to do a new shader. We'll call this transparent. And I'll go ahead and drop in a checker texture. And now what I'm going to do is simply throw this into alpha right here. And you notice it's not doing anything. If I throw this into base color, we can see, okay, the checkerboard's working. But if we just throw this into alpha, it's not going to do anything. This gets back to our material property. So we want to go to material settings, and we're going to set our blending mode to alpha blend. And that'll give us that checkerboard. I'm going to make this black here so that we can see this a little bit more. And then basically based on, I'm going to do Control Shift here so that we can view just the checkerboard itself. Based on this value, how white is this? How black is this? I'm going to turn off the show overlays here so that we don't actually see anything through here. That way we can actually tell what's transparent, what's not. We're going to make this completely white and this completely black. So the more white it is, the more opaque it is. Opaque means it's not see-through. The more black it is, the more see-through it is. I'm going to Control Shift, click our shader right here. And now we can see, boom, there we go. Wherever this is black, we're not going to see. Wherever this is white, we are going to see. Boom. So where we can basically set this to whatever color we want, and it's all going to be see-through. If you notice, our shadows are not currently set up, so we need a shadow mode. We'll just do alpha clipped, and there we go. Again, we'll get more into these blending modes as we go. But now our alpha is affecting our shadows. And next up, we have emissive.